Hello driving intelligence community. So today is the day of truth. I'm going to try to start this Kawasaki ZR-750-H after doing a ton of work to it. I had to pull the gas tank, lots of corrosion around the gas cap, corrosion around other elements of the tank, inside the tank. That was all cleaned out. It's spick and span now. Carburetors were horribly fouled, and this is what happens when you don't use a vehicle, for any kind of vehicle that uses gasoline for an extended period of time. The gas varnishes up, you get moisture in there. There was tons of rust, tons of other corrosion, particles, so all that had to be cleaned out, soaked, jets cleaned out. So I think what we've got now is a fully clean system. I did not completely disassemble the carburetors because I was concerned that a complete disassembly means you have to readjust all types of metering elements in there, and that takes a lot of work, as well as having to balance the carburetors. So I'm hoping I've gotten it clean enough to crank it up, start it, and it runs fine. And I'll run some fuel treatment through it just to try to get that final bit of corrosion in some areas that I didn't get to. So got to put the battery in, fully charged up, put some fuel in there. Let's see what we come up with. Keep watching. Something I really don't like about this bike is the way the battery has to go in. You have to take the air cleaner elements out of that to get to the battery because the battery is covered up by that. And that also requires pulling gas tank bolts. So let's get the battery in and then move on from there. Okay, so the battery's in. I want to see if we got power. Turn the key on. I've got a green light indicating that it's in neutral. Let's see if we get some power to the starter. Good to go. Let's put the fuel in now. So when I started off, I had some fuel leaks. I've tightened some of those up. I hope I end up with no additional fuel leaks right now, but I'm going to go ahead and try and start this up and see what we've come up with. So now I've got to confirm I've got all the fuel leaks taken care of, but it looks like we've got a running machine. So there's a few more things to do to it, and hopefully we can take this thing for a ride.